Today, we have a major development unfolding in Nigeria's legal and political landscape, a development that could reshape national conversations around justice, leadership, and unity. A significant legal challenge lands on President Tinubu's desk. A senior member of Nnamdi Kanu's legal team has issued a direct and compelling appeal to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. The request is clear, pointing right the president should invoke a Nolle Prosequi, a constitutional power allowing the government to discontinue any ongoing criminal case instantly. This is not merely a procedural move. It is described as a critical test of leadership, one that could redefine how the administration is perceived both locally and internationally. Why this request carries extraordinary weight. Under Section 174 of the 1999 Nigerian Constitution, the Attorney General, acting under presidential authority, has the absolute legal right to end any criminal proceedings at any time. In simple terms, President Tinubu can legally end Nnamdi Kanu's trial with one decision, effective immediately. The legal team argues this move would not be about favoritism, but about restoring faith in the justice system, promoting national unity, demonstrating political maturity at a time when tensions remain high in certain regions. The judiciary has already raised serious questions. The appeal to the president also highlights a crucial judicial history. In 2022, the Court of Appeal discharged and acquitted Nnamdi Kanu. The court ruled that his forced extradition from Kenya was illegal and therefore invalidated the charges. Although the Supreme Court later overturned parts of the ruling, it did not dispute the illegality of the rendition. This leaves a significant moral and legal dilemma. How does a nation uphold the rule of law while simultaneously ignoring earlier judicial findings? This is one of the central arguments now being placed directly before the president. A last-minute legal move to delay judgment. Kanu's legal team recently filed a motion for stay of proceedings aimed at halting the upcoming November 20 ruling. Their concerns are serious. The trial court has not addressed fundamental jurisdictional questions. Defense witnesses were blocked at critical stages. Key rulings were rushed. Moving to final judgment without resolving these issues could amount to a miscarriage of justice. For these reasons, the legal team insists that the president's intervention may be the only path left to ensure fairness. The potential impact on peace and stability. Beyond the legal debate, the political implications are enormous. The argument is simple. Much of the unrest, economic disruption, and instability in the southeast is tied directly to Kanu's prolonged detention. Releasing him could reduce tensions, restore normal commercial activity, remove the justification used by violent groups enforcing sit-at-home orders, rebuild trust between the federal government and the region. Politically, analysts say this could earn the president national goodwill, stronger public confidence, a reputation for decisive leadership, a major diplomatic advantage, a defining moment for President Tinubu. Whether the president chooses to act now or not, one thing is undeniable. Backhand index pointing right, this is a pivotal moment. Backhand index pointing right, this decision will have long-term consequences for unity, justice, and Nigeria's democratic credibility. If you're new here, remember to subscribe, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments.